What up, Diecast gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KG back in the workshop studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. Feeling pretty good myself, gang. Got a lot of my man back in the workshop studio. It's been about a couple of weeks since I dropped a video. First of all, I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers, all you guys new in the building. Welcome. I hope you guys hit the bell, turn on all post notifications so you won't miss a single video. We actually about 10 subscribers away from another giveaway, guys. We right around the corner from 900. I just want to say I appreciate all you guys. Thank all you guys for sharing the content, getting the numbers up, guys. I really appreciate it. Got another great giveaway coming. A lot of nice prizes. Showed you guys. Shout out to want to do some subscriber shout outs. We had some people in the comments. I try to always address you guys. You guys get in the comments. So shout out to RX Money Talk, Alfonso Jordan, Curbs Garage, Floyd Williams, Jared Ferron, King's Art Brazil, Model Car 1589, Hill Wayne, T-Roy, Dave Dub. All you guys really showed up and showed out the comments over the last couple of weeks, and T-Roy said, "What's up with this Silver Charger lowrider?" I don't know, Dave. T-Roy, I mean, this is my custom. I think he was referring to this car, T-Roy. Got the custom Flavor Tech wheels on it. I mentioned in a previous video that I wasn't going to disclose the guy's information, but I will let you guys know his name. Go by Flavor Tech Customs. He does all the custom cars for me, and the wheels, 3D printed wheels, are amazing. Also, Dave Dub commented, he said, "I would like to see the brown display to your left. I have like 200, 1/24th scale, mostly Jada, and I'm trying to figure out how to display them." And he said, "I need some ideas." Alright, Dave. I think he's referring to this shelf right here behind me. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a room tour of my workshop studio. I wasn't going to try to put everything in this video game, but I just realized I need to make some more content. That's been one of my biggest struggles, and hardest thing with the channel is consistency. It's just keeping up with making content. But to be honest with you guys, I've been enjoying myself. I enjoyed my 4th. Hope all you guys had a safe 4th of July. Today is the 5th. Right now I'm going to drop this video today, so it is the 5th of July. And, you know, I've just been enjoying myself, guys. I've been real laid back, enjoying my time, but me working a swing shift at work makes it real difficult for me to really stay focused on all the personal things in my life, you know, family, and it's a lot, gang. It really takes a toll working 2 different shifts. It takes a toll on your sleep schedule and your body, so my mind, I'll be all over the place sometimes. But I decided to break down the content instead of trying to force like a 40-50 minute video on you guys. I'm just going to separate my content and make separate videos. That way it'll be a lot easier for me, and I can get more content out, and you know, you guys can get more videos. So that's what I'm be focused on right now going forward, because I do have a lot I want to show you. I got unboxings to do, a room tour I want to show you guys, but today I want to do a wheel swap. So we're gonna get right to it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, please take time, hit that thumbs up. Alright, gang. Here we go, right in front of me. I got a couple things I want to show you guys. Starting off right here with this Lexus GS. I got this from Flavor Tech. This is a new piece with the custom 3D printed wheels on. Just got it in the mail like a week ago. It has this crazy paint job. Let's see if I can flash a little more light on the subject. When I first seen this car, I posted it on Facebook. This is where I first seen it at, and I just decided to ask him what's for sale, and sure enough, he sold it to me. But I thought it was blue when I first seen it in the photos, and when I got it, it looked like it was mostly green, but it flips like 3 different colors. I see tones of purple, blue, and green up in the paint. Very nice model, gang. I'm very, very happy with the purchase. He cut the roof out. I have my other GS right here that I've previously had over the years. It's quite different. This one has the hood vents with the carbon fibers, sort of like carbon fiber looking hood. Very nice. Overall, I'm satisfied with that. Just wanted to show you guys one of my new pieces. I do got some more new cars I want to show you guys. Like I said, I'm going to save that for a separate video. I also got some new 3D printed wheels with 3D printed tires. Let's see if I can get the light on it. Alright, they do have a little tread on them. So, these are some really nice wheels, guys. These will actually look good on a few of my cars, a few different. I was thinking about putting these on the Bandit. Guys, if you don't know what the Bandit is, I'll show you. Here's the Bandit. I thought these wheels would set this car off real nice. Would look much better than the wheels that's on there. But say that for a future project. But right now I have this car right here. I've been wanting to get to this for about a week now, gang. So this is Bumblebee with Transformers. And I've been wanting to swap these wheels out, but I could never find the perfect wheel until these came along. I think these are going to actually look real good. I'm going to try to calibrate, give it some negative caliber. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, or how I do it anyway, in a moment. So let's get right to it, gang. I'm going to get it apart. We're going to do this wheel swap. You guys seem to love the wheel swap videos. Wheel swap videos I always seem to do pretty good. So I'm going to get right to it, guys. Let's get it apart. I'm going to get my mat set up. Try to get some stuff cleared out the way. I'm going to get right to it. Alright, guys. First thing gotta do is get all the screws out. On this particular car, it's 5 screws. We got 2 in the back on the sides of the exhaust, 2 right here in the middle, and 1 in the front right there. So right there I got all the screws out. Just plop that right off. Now let's flip it over, we can see the bottom of the car. Now I just gotta try to get the wheels off. It's very interesting. So normally with these cars, all the interior can come just pull it right out. Set it right back in place. Once you get the base off, the plastic pieces just set right down on in there. So if you ever want to take apart something and clean it, it's really simple once you get the base off. But now I'm gonna have to heat these rods up, because I already know these not going to come off too easy. I'm going to take my heating tool, my wood burner, heat it up and heat these axles and pull these tires off so we can get to the next step. Alright, got the wheels off, guys. Axles out. So the next step will be, I'm just going to plop it on there, back on the axle, and kind of see. Trying to see where these holes line up. Alright. Well, the next thing I can do is just get one of the wheels on the axles. Real lightly. The good thing is these 3D printed wheels fit right on the original axles. I call them the axles, the metal rods. So pretty much all I'm doing now is just test fitting. Alright, to test fit the rad height before I get into making any modifications. So that's pretty much where it will be at. It's just not bad. That's actually pretty decent. Just would have to cut the other side, but I want to do the rear gang, and I want to show you guys how I do the caliber. But something like the front, I just want to test fit something. Test fitting is just part of it, guys. Just making sure that you don't want to have the right height. I think that's gonna work out perfect, guys. So I'm just gonna say that that's gonna be easy. I won't speak too soon, but I think that's enough to be pretty confident. So, of course, this rods are too long with these tires, so of course I'm gonna have to cut them. What I'm gonna be using is my rotary tool, cutting blade. These little thin cutting discs was good enough to just slice right through that rod, so I'm gonna cut that off, and in the back, in the rear, I'm just gonna cut the whole rod all the way through the middle. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments though, gang, because this looks like it's a little plastic piece right inside, right there. It's like a double plastic piece. I might just cut that off all together, because the way I'm gonna make it at a negative caliber, I'm just gonna cut the whole rod and stick half the rod through. I'm gonna put some tape on the end of it, and that's gonna allow the wheel to drop. Might not make sense now, but hopefully once I get it done, I'm gonna do it right now. Get the wheels on and then show you guys how it looks once I get it together. Okay, guys, got the wheels on, in place, intact, pretty much how I want it. Now I can show you guys what I did. I actually sliced the rod into 2 pieces, and I wrapped some duct tape. I got some silver duct tape right here. What I did, I just wrapped it right around the end so the tire wouldn't come off wrap the tape all the way around. And by me cutting the rod, as you can see, once you set it down, that's going to make the rods drop to the floor in the middle, and it's going to cause the wheels to caliber. Which sometimes you can get away with it rolling still, but these 3D printed tires are plastic, so might not get a good roll. What I'm gonna do is just plop it back on now. That's pretty much it. And I throw the screws back in, but let's see how it looks. Before I put the screws back in. Well, let me go ahead and put the screws back in so I have to see. Worried about it falling apart like it just did. Until you get the screws back in, all the internal parts is loose. So I'm gonna screw it back together, guys. So there we have it, guys. All back together. I forgot to mention to you guys, I did add the brakes and calipers inside of there. It don't kind of roll a little bit, but guys, I never play with any of my models, so there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. To next video, guys, I'm gonna try to get 3 videos out this week, guys, so either tomorrow or the next day I'll be doing an unboxing of my new cars that I just picked up. Then following that, we're gonna do a tour of my studio workshop. Then after that, we're gonna be starting a new diorama, guys. Got a new 1/64 scale build. It's gonna be a real quick, simple build. Probably do it in 1 or 2 days. But it's for my boy Jerry Farron. Shout out to you. And that's gonna pretty much wrap this up, guys. Until next video, guys. Hope you guys continue to have a blessed day. See you guys in the next video. I'm out.